Windows 11 looks great until it takes forever to start up. You press the power button, you go for jogging, and your PC is still loading. In this video, I'll show you the 3 best fixes that will make your Windows boot up fast. So let's get started. First, this one makes the biggest difference instantly. It's called fast startup and it cuts your boot time by almost half. Open your control panel, go to hardware and sound, click on power options, choose what the power button do on the left, then click change settings that are currently unavailable, and here turn on fast startup and then click on save. If it's already on, just turn it off, save changes, go back again and turn it back on again. This tells your Windows to preload system files so that your PC launches in a second instead of minutes. Restart once and you feel the speed difference immediately. Your PC might be loading a ton of background applications every time you turn it on, even the ones you never use. Let's face that. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager, then go to the Startup Apps. If you don't see it, you can just click on this to extend it and click on Startup Apps. And here click on Startup Impact to sort the list. And here anything marked as high that you don't need running right away, right click on it and disable. Don't worry, you can still open these apps manually later. They just stop them from slowing down your boot time. And finally, if your startup is too slow, your system files or drivers might be the reason. This last phase is powerful. Search for Device Manager, extend Display Adapters, right click on the driver and hit update driver, and here click on search automatically for drivers. Once done, you can close everything up and run command prompt as administrator and type this command. This scans and repair corrupted files that can silently drag down your performance. If PC runs into this error, run this command. Once it's finished, restart your PC and watch how fast everything feels. And that's it. 3 proven fixes that instantly speed up your Windows 11 startup. Now, tell me in the comments which one made the biggest difference for you. And if you want to make your Windows computer look beautiful, check out this video.